YouTube, I need new shoes, so I decided to print some. They should be print in place, without support, and from just TPU. Let's go. The first thing I did is to draw a line around my feet. Then I did some lines like this in it to have measurings. I did the same with the height, and yeah. Then I drew it in Fusion 360. After a few useless tries, I came up with this. The measurings are for my feet plus 2 millimeters. As I liked it, I exported it and went to Cura. As I imported it, I had to fit it to the build plate. That wasn't so easy. One day and 5 hours. That would be the longest print I print so far. Because the print would take so long, I decided to print it from Friday morning to Saturday afternoon. The print just finished. Let's get it off the build plate. Let's see how it goes off. Just try to pull here. And yeah, it works very good. Oh, there it don't work so good. But yeah, it works without bigger problems. Oops. Oh, it's very hard. Let me try to get it off. I just got the shoe off the build plate and it turned out okay, but the bottom part has some holes in it. So I decided to spray paint it in white, the only color that I have. And yeah, let me try that. So I covered the sides in tape so I can spray paint the bottom part. So here you can see the dried spray paint, and yeah, it was okay. It's better now, definitely, but as you can see, it isn't perfect now. So I hope the next print gets better in 2 weeks. So after the spray paint eventually dried, I tried to put the shoe on. It's a little bit too small, the opening here, so I had to cut it out a little bit. But yeah, it's really nice for the first try. And yeah, for the next part of it in 2 weeks, 2 weeks the video, not the next, I'll try to improve the shoe. And yeah, definitely one point is make more infill, more bottom layers, so because here it turned off. Yeah, and here curve it a little bit more, and I think it have to be a little bit smaller. But yeah, I think that was a very good test, and yes, see you in the next video. After you got the shoe on, it fits okay. Not too bad, not too good. For first try, definitely okay. Here we want to have some more bottom layers.